Eka and Edo State, they are one. Part Eka migrated from Isha, some migrated from Benin. Obi of Umbiri, during his coronation, the Isagba Oni of Isa crowned him.
Anyị bụ ndị Voice of Enueni television. So anyị na-ajụ ndị mmadụ ihe gbasanyere ife dị na Delta na Enueni. So onwe onye nye anyị nọmba asị Diokpa gbagonite macha ife mala ọdịnala. Ha wee sị ka anyị jụọ biko ka ịgbagada ndị Voice of Enueni afọ anyị na bisi wee bịa.
Okay. Afọ m Eze Nwale Akoyibo from Mbiri, Eka North East Delta State.
Bisi bịa na bụ Agbor abi. Okay. Maka na onwe ife ndị mmadụ dịsị ndị mmadụ na-ajụ sị na Agbor abụ na ndị Igbo na Agbor bụ ndị Igbo. Obese na n'igelike ma ibe Agbor si wee bịa before wabụla Agbor.
Actually, Agbor, the language Agbor, Eka is the language. That is, our language is Eka language, Eka Igbo. So you cannot separate Eka from Igbo. So Eka and Igbo, they are the same thing.
So where did Eka people, where did they migrated from? At least some Webendi Kasi migrate before they become Eka people. Where did they migrated from?
The Eka migrated, according to history, the little I know. Eka migrated, part Eka migrated from Isha, some migrated from Benin. Like in my place in Beri, we have Isha community in that Mberi. But all of us speak the same language in Eka, that is Eka language. So definitely, in like our Obi of Umbiri, during his coronation, the Isagba Oni of Isa crowned him. So which means Umbiri, as I said, Agbor, particularly from Edo State. Like Igmanke, part of Abudu, Olije, Ekmu, all these are Edo State, but speaks Eka language. So, join with Agbor, all of us, we are one. If it happened today that the Anioma is created, all these people will join Anioma because we speak that language. We have common this thing with Edo States. Even when Okowa was in power, you can see that Okowa also did something to part of Edo States. So, which means Eka and Edo State, they are one. But we that speaks Igbo, we are Igbo.
Why many of Agbor people now say na Haburon Igbo, that they are not Igbo? Why? Because this creation of Anioma State, Bupuezi, all those things, onye kasi no bu Igbo, onye kasi no bu Igbo. Meanwhile, they are speaking Igbo. That they are not joining Igbo, this Anioma State creation. And Agbors, I say they are not joining.
You see, if Eka, one person can say that now, but we are talking of land map. When they create, you can't say no. If they create Anioma today, Anioma, you can't say no now. Nobody will say no. All we are saying that as long as we speak Eka Igbo, we are Igbos. There is no doubt about it. Language. Then what makes us not to be Igbo if they will say we want to be Igbo today? So definitely, since I bear Igbo name, I speak Igbo, I'm an Igbo man. Yes. because by the tribe we are seeing now, Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba, where is Eka? Is Eka not a part of Igbo? Even when the Agbor was made chief of staff, they were arguing that time that no Igbo man is in the force. But Agbor openly told them that he is from Agbor, and Agbor is an Igbo. So I don't think anybody that speaks Eka would deny him or herself as an Igbo person. I don't think so.
Okay, sir. I want to know your own opinion as an Agbor man. I want to know your own opinion concerning this Anioma creation. Do you want Anioma creation to the state capital to go to southeast, or do you want the state capital to still remain in our south, sir, as an Agbor man? So what is your own opinion, sir?
The capital already is Asaba, Delta State.
Okay.
You can't change it again unless you have two states from Anioma. Then you can take another capital from Asaba. Since Asaba is capital of Delta State, if Anioma is happening to create today, Asaba will still be the capital of Anioma State. Unless Anioma is divided into two, then you see that the capital will come down to the other side, either to Kwale side or to Agbor side. But since Anioma remains Anioma, Asaba is the right place for it.
Jojo, get the voice of a man,